Can your property handle a hurricane, earthquake, or flood? Codes require wind-resistant framing, seismic foundations, and flood-resistant designs. At Amber Consulting, we offer construction defect consulting and waterproofing defect solutions to create buildings that survive and thrive. For facility manager construction solutions or business owner construction disputes, resilience starts here. Talk to us at amberconsulting.com.